All right, friends, common eye makeup mistakes that could be hurting, not helping the look of our face. Okay, as you know, I'm in my later 40s, a makeup artist for many years. I started in the 90s, so I know all the different ways we learned, what we did, what we need to do a little different. So watch this. The regular basic brown liner. I use the same liner on both sides. We learned somewhere a light shadow will open up our eyes, bring your mascara to the side, and brighten up your eye with some under eye concealer a few shades lighter. Okay, then we would take the liner and go underneath, maybe just in the inner rim, a little outer, but that's what we did. Okay, so now let's look at how a few slight changes can completely change the look of your face. Do we see this? This is 46, almost 47, filter free, okay? So let's talk about the changes. Let's talk about what we did different. So instead of the liner, the entire way following the shape of the eye, because our eyelids are getting heavier, I went under the first half and then outer the second half, pulling it a little more up. Not a cat eye, but just a little bit of a lift to give our eye more of an elevated lift, okay? Then, instead of the light on the entire lid, which actually accentuates the puff of our hood, works against us, I went lighter on the inner corner and took a neutral rose gold or like champagne and brought it up to open up the eye. And instead of the brown liner on the bottom, I used the same shadow color and just halfway blend it out to keep the eye round and open. The mascara, we had learned to go this way back in the day, right? To make your eye look more batty. But now if you go more this way with the mascara, you will make your eye more open. Simply brushing the brows up versus leaving them down gives us more lift. And instead of going with a lighter concealer, okay, that can actually make the eye look smaller, more puffy, and more tired, accentuate texture, lines, puffs, okay? A neutral, even pinker, peacher-based tone concealer, okay, will make you just look relaxed. And this is actually my puffier, smaller eye, okay? And this is why I really wanted to show you the differences. So it's small techniques that can totally change, elevate our look with minimal